Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Tonight we're talking about those surprises that you find when someone quits. And I'm sure a lot of you have been in this scenario. One of your team members decides to move on. Maybe this was a short-term position, or maybe they've been with you for a number of years and they just found another opportunity. And once they leave, you discover emails that were never addressed, or checks that had never been cashed, or bills that were never sent out. And now you or someone else on your team is having to go back and unravel this mess, right? And I know this has happened more than once, hopefully not more than once to you. But a lot of times this means reaching out to clients and trying to collect on money that should have been billed months ago, or getting alternate payment methods from clients whose checks are now expired, or reaching out to clients that never got a response from your departed team members. And this is not fun. So let's talk about how we can prevent this. And the answer is systems. Systems and KPIs are going to save us from being in this situation ever again. We need clearly defined systems so that our team members are expected to follow these systems with built-in checks and balances, right? For example, one person, let's say a billing clerk, prepares and sends out the bills, while another person, typically the attorney, reviews them. But the procedure is that if that attorney doesn't review those bills within 3 business days, then the billing clerk is instructed to notify the owner or the managing partner so that they can have a discussion with the attorney about the billing expectations. This is going to prevent us from finding out 6 months down the road that this attorney hasn't sent out a bill in 4 months. But if the procedure doesn't give the billing clerk the authority to do that, then they generally don't, because they don't want to get the attorney in trouble, or they don't want the attorney to be mad at them. But if it's built into the procedure, then the billing clerk is doing their job, and it becomes much more clear that the attorney can take their complaints up with the owner or the managing partner that approved that procedure. Now, another example is with KPIs that can serve a similar purpose. If the KPI is measured by someone other than the person that's responsible for it, your KPIs are going to be much more accurate and alert you to problems much sooner. For example, if the marketing person is responsible for bringing in a certain number of leads each month, then the admin or salesperson should be responsible for reporting the number of leads that they receive each month. That way, if the number drops suddenly, we can investigate and not wait for the failing marketer who may be delaying the transmission of bad numbers, or worse, reporting them inaccurately. So building checks and balances into your procedures will help to prevent surprises when your team leaves, because you'll have been receiving accurate information all along from the reporting built into your procedures and the KPIs that they're producing. So let us know if you've tried any reporting procedures that are working well, and join us again tomorrow night so that we can help you streamline your firm. Good night.